Good morning, everyone. Andrew Hayslip again here with Boat Beautiful. Today we're out on beautiful Lake LBJ up one of the river arms here. We're taking care of this 2018 Nautique GS22. Our pro tip of the day today is going to be preventative maintenance. I often hear from clients, future clients, people in general, I love your service, I'll give you a shout whenever we need you. Well, by the time people generally call us, it's kind of late in the game. Something has happened to the boat. Oxidation, scratches, whatever like that. So on this 2018 GS22, they called us before anything happened here. We're coming with our Ceramic Pro coating. I've already put one coat of Ceramic Pro Bravo on the exterior. It was prepped yesterday, and we are going through and about to put another coat on there. What does this coating do exactly? This coating prevents any kind of oxidation, fading the gel coat, haziness, discoloration. It's super hydrophobic, allowing the water to bead off much easier. Number one question people often ask me, is it going to prevent water spots? No, it will not prevent water spots, but it'll make them a lot easier to come off. There you can go. That's another one of the great properties of this product. It gives an amazing shine to it. So what we've done with this one is we come through one-step polish on the exterior of it, gave it a nice decontamination wash, and then went back over the top of that with a nano polish, and now we're putting 2 coats Ceramic Pro Bravo on that. If anybody's got any questions, feel free to give us a shout. We'll be here all day taking care of this one, and then of course finishing everything up on that 46-foot fly bridge. Thanks guys, have a great day.